Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi Stephanie and welcome to your Workout Wednesday here at Sayezz Pilates and Beyond, where I help you move more joyfully and more deeply into your body as your home. Heart open, moving energy. Thank you so much for being here. Grab an elastic band today and we're gonna get moving. We're gonna do a sequence where we use the band a bit sort of Pilates style, rocking and rolling through our spine, and then we're gonna try it without. So go ahead and set yourself up. Come ça with your knees bent comfortably, feet flexed like mine are. And then wrap the band around your feet. And actually, I'm gonna face you this way for a moment. Make sure there's a bit of space so that we're actually working a bit the feet laterally like this, and also our hips. You might even feel, I feel a bit of that tension there, or that contention there. So here we are. Make your, give yourself as much support as you want, meaning make the straps as tight as you would like. Just find your bum, put the head on top-ish, take a breath, and then exhale, roll it back. At the bottom, we're gonna ground the elbows. We're gonna pull the knees in and arch a little bit. So just find wherever you're really balanced. I'll move this elbow. Balance on your booty. The ribs are floating. Hopefully you can see that. And then knees just kind of easy. Inhale. Tap the heels down as you begin to rock and roll your way up. Again, just find wherever that seat is. Inhale. The name of the game is easy, with ease today. Inhale, bit of an arch. And exhale. And as we move through this warming up flow, I just want to say thank you for being here, everybody. Big bear hug to my subscribers. Woohoo! Welcome, new subscribers. Everyone hit that bell. Fresh videos like this drop every Wednesday, and every other Monday I bring you a quick tip. Thank you for being here. If you have, and also check out, it feels really good, that arch. Check out all the goodies in the description. I have a new app, and it's called The Incoming. It's a beautiful collaboration with my dear friend and just goddess on this earth, Jem Burns. And we have a treat this February starting tomorrow. Oh my goodness, febYOUary, a practice a day. 29 practices for $29. And if you become a member, you get access to all our classes and you get it for free. So again, check that out in the description. That gets me excited just feeling it, just talking about it. So let's go ahead and do one more. And we're just gonna add on. I'll give us a more focused breath. So actually, let's pause here. The only difference is now we're gonna stretch and yawn those legs. Inhale. Exhale. Find that, again, with ease, rock and roll. Inhale at the top. Exhale to roll back. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale. Rock and roll it up. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Ooh, nice big yawn. And exhale. Let your breath be the guide and your focal point. And also just finding some ease and pleasure in that ease. The band is our ally. That's what I'm calling props these days. They're really our ally to help us feel into our body, help us find more ease and flow. Once more here, and again, we're going to add on. It's gonna be a little bit different on the way up the next time. I'm right in the center, bonk. Oh, I realize I kind of match. Hopefully you can see. I like this color, sage color. This time, I'm gonna scooch my way this way. We still find that little bit of arch. We reach up and we just, keep the legs long. And then we can bend, rebend as we roll back. Inhale, exhale. Really see if you can find that rock up over your booty. Inhale, yawn. Exhale up. Keep pulling your legs gently apart. Keep really looking at your feet. Make sure that that little sickle place is the opposite. That we're really keeping, long legs, parallel in the alignment of our ankle as best we can. Round back. Inhale, yawn. Exhale. Really enjoy that ride, that fulcrum feeling. Inhale. And exhale. Ooh, once more there. Inhale. Exhale back. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale up. Take one foot out. Rock yourself back. Rock yourself up. Rock yourself back. Rock yourself up. I want to get a little more stretchy here. So I'm going to bring my hand pretty close and bend my elbows because that feels really nice. Once more there. And let's switch at the top. Ooh, and go for it. A little bit of a canoe rock here. We just ate lunch. So all this deep core is like burp. So again, it's totally fine to do this after lunch. It gets things moving. Or after you eat. Also wonderful to do it before. And one last time. Excellent. Oh, thank you, band. Ooh, give it a nice big squeeze. Take a moment to, thank you, band. I'm going to crumple you up and put you over there. Take a moment to, we're actually going to do that whole thing again, sans l'élastique, without the band. I need to stretch my arms for a moment. Just rub your hands together before we move into that. Putting one hand over your belly, one hand over your heart, coming deeper into your body as you're home, heart open, moving energy. Inhale. And exhale down. And really feeling maybe more alive, tingling, giving your body this moment to integrate before we do it again. And exhale. And once more there, inhale. And exhale. Excellent. So now that we're grounded into what that felt like, we're going to aim to feel something similar, finding the ease. Meaning you can use your hands or hands. Hands like this or hands like this. This is a bit more like the band. Yeah, I'm going to move between. So we start the way we started. We flex the feet. We're here. Maybe we're here. Roll back. And release. Rock up. And sit. And curl. And reach. And rock. And up. And again, maybe hands are here. You can still release here. And it's really one of those where part of my evolution of teaching is really to help us find, actually it's always been there, but really find the ease in the movement. How can we use our breath to find it? How can we use the support of our allies, the props, and our own body ally? I think it's one of those things that just happens after childbirth and after having a kid. You just want your life to be easier, simpler for them. Deep thoughts today. Let's go ahead and add the reach through the legs. And that rock roll up. In. and X. Once more there, rounding it back and lengthen. And keeping those feet nice and flexed, opening up that, what gyrotonic calls the fifth line through the heel, really the center of the bone marrow. And then this time, keep the legs long and see if you can find that rock up, round. Lengthen, and again, maybe the hands help us find that rock. Oh, there it comes again. Excuse me, getting the getting the digestive juices flowing. Once more here, and then we're going to do something slightly different for the single leg variation. So here we really are going to grab a leg, soften the feet, and we're going to do a bit of a seesaw. And we'll do a few here, and the only difference is at the end we're going to switcheroo because it feels really nice. Now, from here, if you want to release, ooh, there's your single leg teaser. That's something. That's nice. Once more there. And switcheroo. And again, I keep whapping my beautiful plant. And again, maybe we release the hands. Find that teaser moment. And last time. And we did it. Bravo! Go ahead and once again find that center place, find a comfortable seat, bring the hands together, literally give yourself a hand, rub the hands together. Pull apart, feeling, really sensing the tingling, the energy there. Take your left hand over your heart, right hand over your belly. One big breath to finish. Once again, thanking your body for showing up for you and for you for showing up for your body. Inhale through the nose. Hold on to it once you reach the top. And then sigh of satisfaction, bringing yourself down. So much gratitude for you. I say this often, but I really enjoy making these. So thank you for showing up for Sayezz Pilates and beyond as well. Don't forget to check out the description. February starts demain, tomorrow. Hope to see you there. Definitely we'll see you next week.